All right, guys, we've got our little prepared for the coronavirus outbreak here in Texas. If you're not getting your items, I suggest you stack up now because stuff is selling out like crazy. Water selling out, gloves are gone. That was the last pair. Everything, sanitizer, everything is going quick. I suggest you stock up now. I can see here, we got tons of hand sanitizer. This is just a handful of stuff that we have. We have tons more stuff, but of course they won't all fit on this table. It's the sanitizer itself is a handful. We got tons of hand sanitizer. We have some in the car. We have some in my wife's purse, just everywhere. Lysol, we have tons of Lysol. Cheap, generic, and good ones. They're running out, so we checked these out. They said pasta was a good thing to get for food, for long storage. We got some popcorn because might be watching a lot of movies, and tons of alcohol. We got tons and tons of alcohol. This is running low. I suggest you go get it. There was only a handful left. This was going low. That was going low. All the sanitizer stuff, all this right here was going low. Soap was going low. All this stuff. This was going low. People were just grabbing when we were there. This was actually the last box of gloves. We got the last one there. This was all at Walmart. Water. The Walmart's running low. I mean, just tons and tons. We got tons and tons of cases of water just in case. Just tons and tons of stuff. Cleaners. Tons of stuff. They said pack up on tons of Gatorade, you know, in case somebody gets sick. They need Gatorade. Canned foods, tons of canned food. And of course, soap. You need tons of soup, man. So in case somebody gets sick, you get even, these are going low. Grab it. You need to grab everything you can. And they said get tons of medicine already for, you know, headaches. And because one of the main sources is fever, so you want to stock up. Got tons of more stuff, tons of soap. Always have to wash your hands. We got tons of soap for your hands, tons of sanitizer. This is our big ones. We have, like I said, we have tons of them. Wipe everything down when you go to the store. Walmart has those disinfectant wipes. Wipe the cart, you know, and wipe everything that you come in contact with. Wipe it down yourself. You know, these are the big ones we have for the house to disinfect anything or on the go. We have some for the go, on the go. Like I said, this is just a handful of stuff. We got tons more of water, tons more Clorox wipes. This is the only gloves we actually have. The only thing we're missing out of all our stuff that we have, out of food, you know, sanitizer, just tons of stuff, is that we don't have no masks. And masks are hard to get right now. So if you could get them, I suggest you buy them right away because we can't find none, literally none. And they're crazy on Amazon. They're selling for crazy, insane amounts. So stock up. What you want to stock up on is toilet paper and paper towels. Get tons and tons of this stuff. This stuff is actually going pretty quick too. The paper towels and the toilet paper. I know some places like HEB is actually here in Texas. It's actually put a limit to people how much sanitizer they could get. So if you're planning to go get a lot, we actually got all this stuff before they started doing this. Walmart don't have no limit. We didn't have no limit, so we got tons of stuff. But HEB has a limit of 4 sanitizer bottles or anything. So they're having that right now in Texas. You might want to go pick it up before they get more stricter on all these products. Stock up now. Get your food like Gatorades. You want to pack up on stuff to have for days if you have to sit off for 2 weeks, you know, and tons of medicine before somebody gets sick. You have stuff there because everything's going, especially here in Texas, where we have 11 confirmed cases. We got tons of food, other food besides this, you know, rice and other stuff. But just showing some of the food that I have out here because, like I said, it's on the table. I can't fit it all. It's just a sanitizer itself. It will fit so much. It doesn't matter if you use it because you can use this for the whole year. Say, well, that's too much stuff to stack up on. Why do you need so much stuff? You're wasting money. No, we buy this stuff regardless. We buy this stuff regardless. We always have sanitizer, water. And, you know, gloves is probably the only thing we don't have that we got. But you might as well stock up it for the whole year, right? and be safe.
Yeah.
All right, kids just got home from school. First thing they want to do is do the hand sanitizer. Go ahead, wash your hand, clean them real good. Wipe them. Ready? All right. Wipe them real good. Wipe it, wipe it, wipe it, wipe it. There you go. Keep wiping it. Keep wiping it. There you go. So when you get home, get this big bottle. Right away, come in and hand sanitize. Wash your hands. Keep washing, and get tons of stuff. I'm telling you, this is going quick, especially here in Texas.